Yo, Capital Bro C, and welcome back to another video, guys. I'm yakking the shades, the drip today, looking quite stylish, if I might say. But yeah, today's video is I'm trading NASDAQ. So for the people that don't know NASDAQ, so NASDAQ is basically a collective of all the top 100 technology and biotechnology companies in the USA. And for the Capital Bros, none of us have ever traded NASDAQ. If you have kept up with the content we do on the channel, it's obviously crypto. And recently, not recently, it's been quite more recently than Forex, than cryptocurrency, it's Forex. So, and obviously some gold, we have some crude oils and stuff like that, but mostly gold. But we have never traded like company stocks. So today's video, this is basically the first on the channel where I will be trading NASDAQ, and we'll see how it is. So NASDAQ is also, what do you call it, a pair or a commodity that people make a lot of money, similar to Bitcoin and gold. NASDAQ is one of, I would say, the leading where you can make a lot of basically money if you know your edge with NASDAQ. So I don't have no edge in NASDAQ, so there's basically a demo, or we're testing the waters. But yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and do all those things. So I've never actually traded NASDAQ, so let me just add the thing to my chart, because NAS 100, there we go, US tech companies, as you can see there. So I will be taking this trade on the competition. So yeah, another plug. I will be taking this trade on the Bull Rush competition. So the Capital Bros in partnership with Bull Rush, we're running a competition basically where the top 3 traders from our signups will basically get 200 in Bull Rush credit, 100 and 150 and 100. Let me just show you guys that quickly. So the Bull Rush there, just quick plugs. Here's the video, so make sure to go watch that. All sign up links for that is there in the video, so make sure, and more. I think we did cover most of the information, so check that out there. So this is the competition. We already have 16 people signed up, 7 people remaining, so that means some of you guys failed. And obviously this is problem rules, so make sure there's a 5% daily drawdown in attendance. So I think that's where most people fail, but so far we have a little bit of people. I'm third in the competition, I don't know how, but yeah, third in the competition so far. But we'll just go over like a quick, like a knowledge session with what NASDAQ is, and then we'll place a trade on this. So I'll be placing a trade here. I'm a little bit also new to the volume stuff, how that works, but I'll do it on the phone just as a test, and then we'll do it on the platform Bull Rush uses to execute the trades. So this is basically just some knowledge. What is NASDAQ 100 index and how to trade it? So NASDAQ 100 is an index fund of 100 largest non-financial stock listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. The companies include the index are often technology and biotechnology firms, like I said. Let's first understand what NASDAQ is. NASDAQ is the US stock exchange in New York City, the second largest stock exchange in the United States, as you can see there. What is NASDAQ 100? How to calculate it? So 100 shares. What is the NASDAQ 100 trading hours? So you can come read more on this yourself. So I'm not going to go into. I will link it down below. NASDAQ price, share price. You can see it's obviously like a share price, as similar to how you buy Tesla and all that stuff. I just want to get to the part which shows the companies. How to invest in NASDAQ 100, ways to buy. You can see there. What moves the market. There we go. Yeah, so Apple is so it's basically your big movers, your Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla. So this is on their own, they're already big companies, but the share price basically just put the overall trend of all of them together. So there we have Amazon and so on and so on. So for my part, like I said, if you want to join the company, I'll be placing the trade on here. The competition is free, by the way, so there's no like, you just have to sign up and use the link down below. But the competition is free, and the top 3 people basically get these primos or promo credits. So used to gain shit, guys. But let's do it. So on my part, I'm gonna do, so obviously the daily drawdown is 5%, and if you do the calculation, that's $500. So my daily drawdown is $500, but I won't be risking I'll be risking $100 for this trade, because let's have some risk management involved in this competition. So let me just do it on the phone quickly. So let's just see. I've never added like NASDAQ. So NAS 100. Okay, we have it added. I'm not gonna share this thing, guys, because it's the editing. But basically, there we go. This is NAS 100, and this is the charges code. Basically already it basically gave an entry signal for not for our 3:30 but for our fractal strategy. So on the 5 minutes already made a top fractal, but let me just add it on the actual chart. So let's add, I think I did it, like here we go. Let me just move it to the top, so there we can see, and let me just remove the EMA indicators. We have a fractal 1, 2, and then we just have a fractal. As you can see that when I'm talking about bottom fractal, and we go to our 1 minute, that made a bottom fractal. So I just need to basically see how much I need to calculate, because the calculation is the sum. It doesn't move in pips, it moves in volume. So let's just calculate. If I use a lot size note 1, we're looking at the bottom fractal. That's a 1 minute. We want to add our stop loss at the bottom. So we're gonna basically use a lot size of note 1 just to keep it basically simple. So there we go. There's some trades I've executed so far, gold, but now we're gonna execute the one. So it basically, we just need to search in it. NASDAQ over here. There we go. We add it. We just start quickly, and basically a note size of 1. It's already calculated, so I'll just click buy. And also, I wouldn't say bad on bull rush, but it's a little bit compared to I've gotten used to like the web terminal MT5, but the inbuilt in GUI trade is basically you're gonna have to get used to it if you train with bull rush, as this is the external where you place your trades. So if any competition you join on bull rush, this is basically the platform we're using, and it takes a while to get used to it like any other stuff. But for me, I'm so used to MT5, so it takes a while to get used to this. So like you see it similar, you just click on your thing, put your stop loss. So for me, let's just go to the side. As you can see, the bottom fractal, so this is gonna be our trade for the day. It's a 1-to-1. Put our thing right there, put our thing on top. So this is strategy, like I said, we're still testing out, and over time we'll have more data to see if it's proven. So this price is a stop loss price is around here, so we just take it to our GUI trade over here. See, there's no double click if you want to do like add your stop loss. I have to manually just do it. So this is more or less around here. So let's just check again. So that's 16599. So let's just do the same. 16. It's around here. There we go. So that is our trade so far, and now we basically just wait. So yeah, I'll be back once the trade is executed, guys. And we're back, guys. So the trade didn't play out as predicted or by the plan, and yeah, so I'll just go over today's basically an L. So I'm not gonna be trading further on this account for today, since I think I've reached about 1% of my daily drawdown, and I do not want to basically go for 2% because we have a 5% daily drawdown. So if you know problem rules, I'm not going to explain this too much. You should know this, or go read up a little bit more. So why, if you have a plan, if you say your plan is 1% trade per day, you do that. So obviously, as you can see on screen, not obviously, but as you can see on screen, the trade is an L. I actually made a mistake when I did it on. Like I said, I wasn't used to the lot sizes on this GUI trade, but the trade is, as you can see there at the bottom, so it's $14. So my lot size should have been 1. See, for example, all 1, volume of 1, because the volume is a little bit different. Like I said, it's Forex, and this is volume measured in pips, and this is measured in volume, similar to gold. So my volume size is a little bit miscalculated. I can see it should have been 1, but it actually helped me. It actually was a blessing in disguise in this spot, because I would have lost around $140 if that was the actual trade. So I can go for another trade, but I will not trade today because the actual trade is still an L for today. So I will basically close the trade. As you can see, it's gonna hit stop loss soon, so I'll just take my loss because I miscalculated, and it's basically going down the opposite direction of our trade. So as you see, the reason for my trade was, I'm not gonna explain the fractal strategy too much, because like I said, me and Mr. D said, it's been a month or two where we tried to like been honing it and so far. So you can see it's based off bottom fractals and top fractals. This is your bottom, your top. And basically when it indicates this, you take the reversal sell on top. And my influence for today was also the EMA was below, so it indicated a more strong buy pressure in my part. And if we're looking at like the one, this is a 1 minute trade, there was a lot of support, so I thought this could hit support. That's why hence the stop loss at the bottom. So it didn't follow these rules for today, and yeah, that's part of trading. We took our L, and that's on to tomorrow. Yeah, so like I said, if you're new, make sure to like use the link down below. This is a free competition, anybody can join. You don't need to sign up, there's nothing involved. You can just sign up and trade. And obviously there's proper rules, so stick to the rules, do proper calculation, put calculation. Like I said, I made a mistake on my part now, but hopefully you don't make the same mistake. So like it doesn't help you, it shows the value. So if you click and make a trade, the COVID trade does not help you in the sense where it shows you the value like how MT5 and MT4 does. So be careful on that part. Pre-execute it on MT5, and once you have it there, come here and execute it here. So then it will give you more of an indicator how much you are willing to lose or willing to gain from this trade. So yeah, I am currently 9887, so $120 down on the competition, but I'm still, there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of people failing, so be careful and not over leverage or over risk your trades. And good luck to everybody, or good luck to the winners whoever it shall be. I think I'll make another more videos. I'm not sure about NASDAQ, but I'm basically trying to get surge volume, guys. If you're not noticed, basically why hence the title, trading NASDAQ for the first time or something of that sort. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll spot you guys in another one. Peace out.